Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. First of all, we open any browser and then open Google Forms. Once open, you can see all the responses. Now we will see how we can link this form with a Google Sheet. For this, we will click on the Link to Sheet button on this page. Click on it. After that, we will select Create a new spreadsheet, then enter the name of the sheet and click on Create. It will open a new tab in your browser. Now you can see the responses, the timestamp, the name of the respondent, and everything else we want mentioned and written here. Now we will go back to our form and click on Preview. I will refill this form. And after that, you can see another response automatically transferred here. That was the way to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.